Welcome to Unlocking SuiteCommerce, a series of tutorials, how-tos, and guides guaranteed to make SuiteCommerce easy.
Hi, I'm Marcelo, Project Management Lead at Tavano Team, and today we'll take a deeper look into what you can do with saved searches. In a previous video, we went over what a saved search is, its uses, and even ran our very first one. Now, we will learn about expressions, formulas, and audience filtering. Expressions allow for more complex criteria in your saved searches. In simple terms, most searches have basic expressions, such as transaction status equals open. An expression introduces the logical and logical or, which will allow you to combine specific criteria together. The expressions section is activated by clicking on the Use Expressions checkbox on the Criteria subtab of a saved search. This also provides with extra logical operators, such as the not operator and the ability to use parentheses. All of these tools provide an ample lexical range that make writing that perfect criteria much easier.
Example, I will create a search that will provide back to me only sales orders that are pending billing. I will start by setting a type filter to sales order and a status filter to pending billing, making sure to link both criteria through an AND operator. That way, I'll make sure to get the specific criteria I'm looking for. As an OR example, I will use the prior search as a starting point. The goal of this will be to view all sales orders that are pending fulfillment or billed. To do this, I will add a new status criteria on top of the ones previously made and make sure I use proper parentheses syntax to get the results I'm expecting. As you can see, both and or operators are used here.
Formulas and saved searches allow users to perform calculations, manipulate data, and derive new information from existing fields. This capability enhances your ability to analyze data and customize reports beyond your standard field usage. Formulas can be used in criteria and results definition, among others. They are very powerful features once mastered. The three main types of formulas are date, text, and number, each serving distinct purposes for data manipulation and analysis. Here are some quick examples. We've also left links in the description that provide more information on how these work. Date formulas allow you to manipulate and compare date values.
Example, if I want to find the last day of a given transaction's month, I can do the following steps. First, I'll set a custom label so I can recognize at first glance the purpose of it. And then I will add the following formula on the formula box.
Text formulas enable to manipulate string values,
such as concatenating two different text fields. Example, to create a field that contains both the email and phone number of a given customer, I can use this formula, which joins both fields separated by a space. I will also make sure to set up a custom label as a best practice.
Number formulas perform calculations on numeric fields.
For example, I can create a field that provides the total amount customers spend per order on taxes and shipping, using this formula. I will also make sure to set up a custom label so the field is more recognizable at first glance.
The highlighting feature in NetSuite saved searches allows users to visually enhance specific records based on a defined criteria, improving data visibility and making it easier to identify imported information. Users can set conditions for highlighting in the Highlighting tab. In this saved search, I'm choosing to flag transactions with amounts greater than $10,000. For example, to highlight these high-value transactions, I'm setting the condition amount over 10,000, picking red as a highlighting color and applying a bold text style. This configuration will make any quantifying transaction appear in red and bold in the search results, allowing for quick identification of significant data points. The Audiences section in NetSuite saved searches allows users to define specific groups of recipients for whom the saved search results are relevant, ensuring that the right information reaches the appropriate stakeholders. For example, if you want to send a sales report only to the sales team, you can set the audience to include users with the sales role. The email section complements this by helping you schedule email notifications of the safe search results to the defined audience. You can configure the email subject, body, and frequency of the notifications. For example, here I'm setting up a weekly email that sends the sales report to the sales team every Monday morning, ensuring they stay informed about performance metrics without having to manually check the safe search. And that's it for today. Now you know how to use expressions, formulas, and audience filtering to enhance your safe searches in NetSuite. Subscribe to our channel for more SuiteCommerce tutorials, and don't forget to turn on the notifications. See you next time.